Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Canva website URL. Okay, now first of all, just go on the Canva app, go on the website, and go on the left side and click on projects. Now, here go to category and select website. Click on website. As you can see, in my case, the result is not showing because I have recently published the website. Okay, so I'm going to go to my website. As you can see, this image. Now click on this share icon and you will see your website like this live. You will see this option. Click on it and click on this edit icon and you can change your site name. So I'm going to give it a new name. As you can see, now my website name is different. You can't change the main like when you have created the website, the main name which you gave to your website, you can't change it. So as you can see, now the name is changed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can change website name in Canva. Thanks for watching.